Brad Hall here, and I am really feeling it today because it is that time of year, the holiday season, and right next to me, I've got a table full of really good stuff. I've got 5 footwear options that are perfect for the holiday season. I can't wait to show you all of these shoes sitting next to me, so I'm gonna get right into this list right now. The new Yeezy 700 V3, the Safflower colorway. It is a really interesting colorway. The model is somewhat futuristic looking with that generously curvy midsole, that really bulbous behind. And then you've also got that exoskeleton on the upper. So this shoe, I do think of it as kind of a futuristic looking shoe, but this colorway, it has got a really vintage feel to it. The midsole especially, it has that aged look. So why is this shoe perfect for the holiday season? This colorway goes perfectly with common holiday foods. The holiday season is the one time of year that you can really have fun, let loose. So when you are eating, you might end up with some food on your shoes. This shoe, you won't have to worry about it. You probably won't even notice. So that is why this one makes my list. The Salomon Snow Cross is a cool looking piece of footwear, a winter boot, and a running shoe all mixed together. The upper is lightweight and it's flexible, just like a running shoe, but it's also gonna keep out those elements like a good boot would do. The bottom has got great traction too. You can probably run around on the ice and not worry about making a big scene out there. Now the reason this one is perfect for this time of year, on top of being great for the snow, for the rain, for that nasty weather, it is also really great if you're the kind of person who likes to dress up as Santa. It really brings a different kind of feeling to that Santa outfit. McLaughlin's take on the Croc is definitely a standout with this recent run of Crocs collabs. You just get so much stuff in this one shoe. There's extra material around the ankle. And then in terms of charms or gibbets, this one has got the most that I've personally ever seen on a Croc. All of the charms on there are very helpful. This is probably the most practical piece of footwear I have ever held. Now, why does this one make my list? I've got so many reasons that I could give you, but the one that I want to focus in on is this rope. This rope is perfect for tying those turkey legs together when you're making turkey. This Michael Air Jordan 4, it is a really nice looking shoe. The colorway is just very classy. This PSG 4 does have what seems to be nicer materials than some of the normal 4s, and it's got a lot of little details. Now, even though I did select a specific shoe, this one right here, you could really fill this slot with any Michael Air Jordan retro. A lot of those earlier retros, they're obviously classics, but they do tend to be a little bit on the bulky side. I spend a lot of time sitting, a lot of time lying down. I can enjoy wearing this shoe without really walking. This last one on my list might not have even made this list if it were a different year, but it is 2020. It is a very different year this year. This is the Merrell Hydromock. It's a Croc-like, Yeezy foam runner-like shoe. It's incredibly comfortable. There's so many holes in the upper that lets your feet breathe so they can get the air out of them. The foam on these is very squishy and responsive. It's got some nice spring to it. It is really a joy to wear this shoe. This one made my list because this holiday season, I plan on pretty much staying inside all of the time. And this one is very comfortable around the house. I am gonna put a link in the description for this shoe. Check it out. So that was my list. I think it's a very good list. And thanks everyone so much for watching, and have a great holiday stretch.